Look at the birds making themselves happy. Look at them. They're flying around. They're going around. Watch them. They go so. They're gonna come back again. See them? They come back again. They're flying around. They come back again. Flying around. They're making circles. The birds are making themselves happy, bro. Different color birds. Some black. And some white birds. They're flying together. The beauty of nature. I just love to see birds. Every time I see birds, it makes me happy. They're flying together. See them? They just keep making circles. It doesn't stop. I love nature, man. We was created to make ourselves happy and make ourselves sad. Seeing this? Just having fun. They're playing, they're happy. While humans killing each other, making war, doing evil, that's what nature doing. They having fun. You see them? They become closer. They make themselves happy. The power of nature. See them? They can't stop make circles. I love nature, man. Nature loves me so much. They're just entertaining me. They've been doing that for more than 5 minutes. They doesn't stop. I love nature. Okay, I think they're gone now. Nope, they're not gone. They come back again. Oh man, I love nature. Humans killing each other, birds making each other happy. Flying, having fun. Learn from the animals, people. Learn from the animals. All they chase is happiness. All human chase is war, hatred, colourism, wickedness. I don't know if I can get them zoom bigger. Let me see. See? See, some black and some white. You see that? Birds don't see skin color. Birds just see happiness. Birds don't see color. All they see happiness. I love nature, man.